me in the kitchen. They like, what you whipping? Catfish from the aquaquarium, you know that I be fishing. Yeah. I just dropped the bait, know the catfish on the way. Aquaquarium to the crease and then drop them on the plate.
Up early in the morning by the break of dawn.
Oh, y'all know we getting up early now. Y'all better get it
to the river, gonna have some fun.
Wake up! Oh, we gon' have a fine day at a time
Yes,
now.
I'm the catfish king of the aquaquarium.
The king now.
Boats hooked up.
Headed to the river, gonna have some fun.
Oh, yeah.
It's a pool, baby.
Yes, I'm the catfish king of the aquaquarium.
So we making music, y'all.
Where he been?
Where he been? He been down in Kentucky. He moved down there. Well, look here, look here, look here. If it ain't the stranger out of nowhere, we got old Jesse. No fish.
JC Raider. Good to be back, fellas.
All right, all
Good to
right.
be back.
Let's get it on.
Let's get some hooks in the water, y'all.
All
Let's
right,
go.
all right.
You want to put some water in the tank first? Ladies and gentlemen, that's just how it happens. You come out here, weather's nice and calm, smooth, and then the wind picks up. When the wind picks up, it's hard to make the boat sit still. So, just trying to do it. We'll holler at y'all in a minute. Peace. A hit.
Hey, I hit this right now.
Yeah. Old Jesse comes back from Kentucky and he catches the first fish. It's the first fish. Go ahead, Jesse.
Oh, I gotta get used. Oh, I gotta get used to it, baby.
Fish number one. Where's his head at? Hey, he a nice one.
Nice.
Bring him to the net. Bring him to the net. Nice fish. On that chicken, baby.
Nice too, boy. Good job.
On that chicken, baby.
Got him, Jesse.
Oh, yeah. Here you go. Bottom lip with that. All right. Let's take your hook out. Where's the pliers at? Some squeakers might need to wet them. All right, let's put a scale on that since that's the first one you done caught. Where's that scale at? There it is, right here. Oh, Jesse. Morning. Hold him up there. How much you weigh? Hold it right here. There you go. And look right in there. Dance. Come here, boy. He is 9 pounds. No, 10 pounds.
10 pounds.
You got the first 10 pound. Oh, Jesse Savage.
I'm back, baby. I'm back, baby.
Good job, boy. All
sir.
right, drop him in there. Jesse with a 10 pounder to start the day.
Nice.
We got wind, a lot of wind. That's what's making all the noise right there. Set of ospreys. to the left side. JC trying to catch that noodle, y'all. River Blue stood up over there. One thing we doing is fighting wind. Jesse's the first one to catch a fish. River Blue got something on it. JC trying his best to hook it. Just run across the line and tangle it up with it is a good cast. Got it. He hit him. Let's see if he gonna keep it. It turned. It turned. Oh, JC Raider.
Turn loose.
Oh! He gonna try it again, y'all. I know he is. That was too good. That's River Blue right there. With the cast. That should have it. That should have it. Depends on how he got that line stretched out. Let's see. Let's see. Nope. Yep. JC hooked it. That's JC Raider right there, boy. The man that can reach inside of a cooler and grab a snakehead fish. A man that can lasso a noodle in the middle of the aquarium. Oh!
In the wind.
In the wind. He put some Kentucky windage on it, y'all. But he got that River Blue. It's coming in.
Turn it loose, y'all. Turn it loose.
Did it
Turn
drop it?
loose.
It dropped it?
Turn it loose.
But it's closer though. Much closer. Let's go, JC Raider. It's on you. Pull back in on it. It's coming back
Gotta move
to.
that pole, bro.
Gotcha. Got it. You hooked this string again. What's this what you're doing over there? I think he ran across this one too. Yep. Here's Jesse. Oh, Jesse got a pole.
Gotta get that line out of there.
I'm trying to. Hold on. Take that. Record anything you see. Both of y'all reel at the same. There's a fish right there.
Fish.
You got the fish on the line. Yep. There it is. There it is. All right, Jesse, let yours slack up a little bit. Bring it toward me, Jesse. No, the line, just the line. There we go. There we go. All right. That line's untangled. JC got the fish in the boat. Got one. Fighting the wind. Fighting the current. But after these messages, we'll be right back. Peace. There he is. That's a good catch. It's a good catch.
With all that going on. Meanwhile, they pooping everywhere, bro.
As long as it ain't on the boat. You gotta get more than just, there you go, you got it. All right. I'm gonna call that in about a 8-pounder.
That ain't going back out there.
No sir. Turn around. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hey, look, we're out here. We got just fishing on the boat. That's Jesse. But he done come back, y'all. He done caught 2 fish this morning. All right, and we got JC Raider. He's here, and we about to have some fun, y'all. A little bit windy, but hey, look, if you don't get out here and fish, you won't catch a fish. If you sit at the house, you won't catch a fish. You gotta be on the water. And today, it's kind of windy, but hey, look, we on the water, y'all. We got 2 in the boat, and we gonna keep it moving. We'll holler at y'all later. Peace! Just wanna let the tire off? Too late now, you done start reeling. You gonna mess around and get off.
Is he on there?
I don't know. You got the pole. Set it and see.
Watch out.
I'm here.
No,
He missed it. I'm taking him over that anchor.
it may be what it is. No, he's on there.
Yeah, I was gonna say keep him on this side of that anchor.
Yeah, he on there.
On the string.
He's on
There he is. Jesse got another one. Got
Yeah.
catch. Jesse's up and I'm at a 0. Bring a guest and they catch everything.
Man, this is what you get when you come to town, baby. This is well overdue.
Jesse got 2. Newton got 1. All right. Take him off of there and put him in the box. He dropped it. Dadgummit.
Hit the red button.
Yes, sir.
Right here with the catfish.
Got some fish. I'm trying to get a good pull on him. I'm trying to get a good pull. Hold it. There's the cat right there. He on there. Jesse with another one. Jesse with another one.
Got him.
Squeaked a little bit on him.
Oh, that's a good one there, boy.
It squeaked a little bit on him. He'll boat
Stuck it in
flipper.
on there, didn't it?
He'll boat flipper. Unless he coming in on you.
No, that's a good one there, boy.
He was coming in on you.
Yeah, that's a good one there.
It is.
Yeah.
There he is, right there. Hold up, hold up.
Sweet.
might be the last fish of the day, y'all.
Nice.
Jesse came to fish and to work, so he done work or he done fished and now he got to go to work. He caught the first, the last, the largest, and the most. Ain't that something? You had a good day then, didn't you?
Yes, sir.
You gonna try to make it back this season?
Yes, indeed.
It's
Yes,
good to
indeed.
see you, partner. Glad you had a fun day.
Thanks to the king.
Peace.
One more in there.
Yeah, one more in there. Yeah, that's why I kept mine out the water. See you. He over there. He over there in the corner. All the way in the corner over there. No, I think he's over there. Was it only 3?
No, there he is right here.
He in there. You really can't see off in that water, can you? Just put your hand off in there real slow. It's right behind your hand, JC, right there. All right, ladies and gentlemen. This is today's harvest. If we was eating, then it'd be lunchtime. But all these are gonna get their freedom today. But look here, Jesse came out of nowhere back to Virginia and brought him out here fishing. No, he ain't caught a fish in about 2-3 years. When last time you caught a fish?
About 2 years. The last time I was here, buddy.
Well, this time you caught them all. Good catch. JC, wasn't our day today, was it? That's right. Can't win them all. I ain't upset. At least he caught his fish. And everybody's happy. JC, you all right? All right. So look here. We finna get up out of here. This wind is blowing. And y'all have a good day. Peace. All right, let's put them in the water.
Let them go.
Let them all go. Right here, John. Well, I'm trying to get him on video, John. He's little. Twisted real fast. And we're off. We go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we just got off the water, got the boat all hitched up, and like I said, old Jesse, he came back to redeem himself. He was fishing today, not just fishing, he was fishing, so he caught a little something. Me and JC, the goose egg. That's a mean mug because he didn't catch no fish. But we'll holler at y'all later. It's Catfish King and crew, and we'll holler at you. Peace.